Hello, welcome to Technique 4 Tutorials. In this video, we'll discuss creating mail campaigns in CloudFunnels. Let's get started. In the past tutorials, I have shown you how to compose an email for sequences, which sends out emails during opt-in subscriber sign-up or any number of days afterwards. But at some point, you're going to want to send a mass email to your subscribers. That is where composing an email comes in. But before we jump into composing the actual mail, there are a couple of settings you want to take care of. First setting is on the sidebar section. Click on the settings page. And on the general settings tab, scroll down and check if the use spinner for emails is enabled. If it's not, check on it. It just adds the functionality of the email composer. After that, save it. Next thing we will want to do is set up our SMTP. On the sidebar section, click on the Email Marketing tab and select SMTP. Unlike the sequence, which sends email one at a time to your subscribers, Compose Mail will send hundreds or thousands of emails to everyone in your list. So you don't want to overwhelm your SMTP providers, as most of them have a limit, especially for free ones. So it's good to have as many SMTP available as you have. So this will spread your email blast out of the several different SMTP providers. Once you have completely set up the SMTP, now we can go to the Compose Mail. In the Compose Mail, we can give this composition a title. This is just for your own references. Now, we add in a title. And you can see the list of SMTP you have set up in the previous tab. Now, depending on how many emails are going to be sent out, we can check as many SMTPs as we want. And the load will be separated to all of them. In my case, I am going to do a very short send, so I'm going to deselect most of them, and I will keep one checked for now. The next step is to select the list that you will be sending your email out to. If you need to review your list, just tap on it on the side section under Email Marketing. If you want to send emails out to all, we can just select All. If you are sending out special targeted emails to a certain list, then you can select those here. Down here, you have a box to enter in a custom email that is not included on the list above. Let me enter one to show you for example. Next, managing mail sending rate. This one is an important step. Click on it. Here, you will see that the emails will be sent out by group size of 20 and the delay time of 30 seconds by default. Why is this so important is because most of the free SMTP providers used to have some sort of email sending limit for a certain amount of time. For example, let's assume you are going to send 1,000 of emails, and the SMTP that you are using allows sending 100 emails per minute. So after sending 100 emails in less than 1 minute, if the system still tries to send more emails there, the emails will fail, or the SMTP provider can block you temporarily. So, to overcome the limitless email sending issue, you can set the delay time and the group size based on your SMTP. Now that all the setup is done, let's go to email composition. Enter in your email subject. You can put whatever subject you want. And before we go any further, I'm going to show you a really cool function of CloudFunnels email. And this is the email spinner that we have set up on the settings page earlier. To use this, first set up your pair of curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets, you can enter in the spinner variations, like for example, hi there, pipe, hello there, pipe, or hey there. You may not be familiar with this symbol called the pipe key. It is located above your enter key on your keyboard. The pipe key separates the different variants you have for greeting. So the email spinner will read these curly brackets and see the pipe separators in there and recognize the different variants we have. Then put an exclamation mark for the proper punctuation. Now when the receiver receives this mail, they will get a variation of either "Hi there," "Hello there," or "Hey there." Welcome to CloudFunnels as the subject title. And now we can move to the message body. The CloudFunnels email content has a full-featured email editor. With this, we can create new documents. We can edit, view, insert links or images, format with all varieties of formats, and we also have access to the source code. There's also a toolbar for most used options. So here's an example of message that we might write. As you can see, we again use the curly brackets similar to the spinner that we have used on the title. CloudFunnels will recognize this shortcode and replace the name of the receiver here. Same goes for the email. And lastly, we have another spinner with different variants of either "Thank you," "Thanks," or "Thanks a lot." And you can get a bit more advanced on this as well. If we put a set of curly brackets here, and within them, we add another set of curly brackets with the shortcode of name, separated by a pipe, and another set of curly brackets, and in the middle of it, add email. In this phrase, CloudFunnels will then recognize it as a spinner phrase. It will either render the user's name or email. You can also let your subscribers with randomizer by inputting sentences like this. Your random favorite color is curly brackets, red, pipe, yellow, pipe, blue. When CloudFunnels sends this message, it will notify the subscriber that the random favorite color is red or yellow or blue. You can also add as many randomizers as you want. Your imagination is really the limit, and you can combine this and use them anywhere you want. And you can also spend time on formatting the text to make it look more nice as well. Now we can enter the unsubscription message, and CloudFunnels has a special shortcode for that as well. If you put in curly brackets unsubscribe and curly brackets /unsubscribe, the word contained within them will be highlighted as a URL that is clickable, and the subscriber can click on this link to be taken automatically to the CloudFunnels unsubscribe page. And you can configure your unsubscribe page here on the settings. Now that the message is all set up, click here to send mail. Because we're only doing a short batch, it sent them all at once. We have set the group size to 20, and I only have one custom email and 2 emails in the list that I have selected. For example, if we have 1,000 of emails that we are sending, we could select more than one SMTP, and during the mail sending, the system will spread the load over the selected SMTPs. It will keep on rotating throughout the SMTPs until it is sent all. Now let's compare the email. Here you can see the subject with the shortcode. Also for the body, the shortcodes were replaced by the user's details. Also for the randomizer. And if we send the email again and check out our email again, this time I have received a different greeting variant from the spinner we have put in for the title. Same goes for the different ones we have on the body. Now if you click on the unsubscribe link, you can easily unsubscribe from here. And if you want to see the emails that you have previously composed, just go to the sidebar section and select Mailing History. Here you can search by date and other filters. Also, you have here the title. This is the reason why we want to put in the title of Compose email for internal purposes. Here is the demo one. This is the one we just typed. We can see the sent emails, opened emails, total unopened, linked visits, unsubscribe, and when it was last sent, and the action buttons to edit or delete. So that is how you can use the mail composition here on CloudFunnels. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.